everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable live chat on your YouTube live stream. Let's get started. Open up your browser and the search bar, search for youtube.com. Once you search for it, simply tap on this create button, then tap on go live. Once you tap onto it, you'll see two options, go live now or go live later. For this video, I'm going to click go live now, then choose whether to stream using your webcam or streaming software. I'll be selecting streaming software for this tutorial. Now after that, make sure you select if this video is made for kids or not, then tap on save. Now after that, simply tap on edit. Inside here, simply tap on customization and make sure live chat is turned on. Also make sure live chat replay is turned on. Now scroll down to participant mode and then select who can send message in the chat. I'll set it to anyone for this video. You can also add a message delay if you want. After making all selection, tap on save, and just like that, you can go ahead and simply tap on go live, and the live chat will appear on the right hand side of your stream. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.